It's a moth. Imagine a moth being like your prized possession. Like, you're opening a museum and you're like, check out our newest display, and it's just a moth. Let's see, what is on the agenda? What are we trying to do right now? Ooh, I am really close to being all paid up. Let's, see if Tom can offer us anything. Ooh! We're getting a museum on the island. Yes, send it to the museum, sir. Please do. We can't leave Blather's spot looking like a mess. Let's go sell some dope to Tommy. What am I offering? Well, sir, I have a deal for you. It's crap. It is garbage, Timmy. You wouldn't know, though. Sold to Timmy! An absolute idiot for buying a really gross clam and a bunch of weeds from the grass outside. A fool. I say that we should go naked for a minute. We'll keep on the socks and shoes. We can't lose sight of what is the most important goal, and that is paying off our tremendous debt. Okay, I guess we're just gonna fish a little bit longer so that we can get our Nook miles. Bro, you were just facing the other way. Alright, let's catch some big fish. No more messing around. Cherry. Oh my god. Cherry's walking over to me. She clearly wants me to talk to her. Clearly, as she walks away. Evening, what? I want to chat. Where it is. I have big plans for this island, baby. Don't you worry. Woo. Huge! I think my debts are paid off. Tom, do I have something great to tell you? I paid off my debts. I paid off my debts to you. Oh. Ooh. Oh wait, what is this? Nook Miles Plus? What is Nook Miles Plus? I want to be a part of that. I want to be in Nook Miles Plus. What? Screw that. I can't wait to just make a dope house. Share so many pictures of it. Oh, I'm gonna be so cool. I'm gonna sell you all my weed. What exactly are you offering? Weed, sir. 91 pounds of weed. 910 bells? I don't think that's fair. I'm gonna do this again. Go search. Oh, hello. Cherry. Did you see the blushes? She was all like hot and heavy. Oh, Cherry. And poof, it's gone. Bye-bye. Thank you for your service, Flimsy X. This game's just too wholesome, man. Everyone's thanking each other for everything. So wholesome. Let's build a home! Nook Plus? Am I a Nook Plus member now? Yes! I am a Nook Plus member! Woo! Hahaha! Big time money moves! Phew! Oh my gosh, dude, the allergies. Phew! I'm dying. I guess catch fish might be the next thing on our agenda. Whip out that old trusty fishing rod. Oh, you're a big boy. A black bass. Oh, look at this monster. That's a whale. Come here, whale. I caught a whale. It's just another stupid black bass. Come on. Oh, look at this massive beast. A huge monster. It's a rock! No way! I caught a stone! Gorgeous. This is like the Survivor Island. A spider? Yes, a package, and I have a slingshot now. Hey, it worked. What did I get? My little dude, and fishnet leggings on, e-boy t-shirt. I think we're ready to go out and slay. What? Look at the trees. What? They're beautiful. Oh shoot, I didn't even notice my house. How did I know Cherry's place was going to be this goth-like paradise? Look at it. It's literally got like a dungeon door on it. Alright, Cherry, you bad. You bad. Yeah, you take that. Take that little workbench. Okay, let's just see what Cherry's up to. Knock, knock. Enter. He enters without even being invited in. Oh, your place kind of sucks. No offense. Oh, baby girl. Alright, bye, Cherry. Let's go check out Sheldon's place. If his place is better than mine... Oh, no. I don't know what'll happen.
Something bad.
I should put pants on my dude. Walking in like this is scandalous. Thank you, Mr. Nook. There's a ladybug on my mouse. Guys, look at this. Can you see the ladybug? Look at that. Okay, that is all. What? Oh, dude. 98,000 bells? That's like more than triple what I have. Dude, I don't want to pay this guy back. I want to pimp out my house. All right, I'm gonna pay him back a little bit of the money I owe. What does ABD stand for? A bit in debt. Ooh, got some Nook Plus miles, I believe. I do believe. I believe. Oh shoot, dude, it's double XP weekend. Oh shh. Please be something badass. Oh, that's huge. 10,000 bells? That's massive. Oh my god, shoot down a couple more of those bad boys and might be able to pay off my debts by next Christmas. Alright, no more f***ing around. Oh, that's a beautiful butterfly. I've never seen it. Oh, no. I don't have a net. Alright, Operation F that butterfly. Gotcha. Oh my god, it's just a common. Alright, it's time for us to meet Blathers. It's an owl? What's up, dude? I'm glad that you enjoyed where I put your tent. I know Cherry enjoyed where I put her tent. I mean, what can I say? It's next to mine. Can't speak so much for Sheldon, but... So, you need me to get you insects. I can bring you a squirrel. Hear me out. His name is Sheldon. He likes to run. Put him in a display case. You don't like bugs? Well, you'll love what I got for you next. It's a moth. Imagine a moth being like your prized possession. Like, you're opening a museum and you're like, check out our newest display, and it's just a moth. Well, thank you for the DIY, the build of the pole. I'm extremely excited to set it up in my house and use it to dance on. I don't know if I need to keep watering my plants after they're like grown, but we're gonna just do it again.
Shrink the liquids.
We gotta get over to Blathers and listen to him while he explains to me how every single thing works. I've got something for you. I like to call it a horse mackerel. These fish are so powerful underwater that smaller fish can ride them as steeds. One does wish that people would construct their legends with a bit more scientific plausibility. I wish that things were more scientific. That's Blathers. Alright, let's buy some shit. And this is the same as oh, the timing! Wow! Here on Kawailand, we stay healthy. We practice social distancing. No. This is how much fun we have on this stream. This just in! Breaking news! Daddy is horny. I wish I had like a transition where I could like slide. Oh, actually, I do have a better version of that. Breaking news! This just in! What was that? It appears Daddy is still horny! Back to you at 7. Oh, a tarantula! Oh, I got him! Oh, aren't those like really hard to get? Easy money! Let's just put it all in, baby. Yes, I'm broke! I won! I won Animal Crossing! I have no money at all! Let's go! Now I'm done! Got him. I win. Take that, KK slider. I'm playing it. Do you see this? It's one of the more ridiculous things I've done.